This is Salvia leucanthus, and they get big. This one's like 10 feet wide. But right now, it's autumn, end of October in California, zone 9B, and the color is just so vibrant on these. It's really nice. We've probably got about 10 of these in this garden, and they're about 10 feet wide, all of them. And we don't cut them down until we have to, pretty much. First frost. Yeah. So the hummers love this plant. They really do. It's got these little, a lot of pollen in here for the hummers. Yep, it's a beauty. Okay, Sherry at Garden Angel, thanks for watching.